What happens if you get arrested for DUI in Arizona? An officer will usually pull over a driver who appears to be driving under the influence of alcohol and ask for their license, proof of insurance, and registration before making a DUI arrest. After being pulled over, you may be asked to participate in a field sobriety test, FST, or a preliminary breathalyzer test, PBT. Refusing both the FST and PBT leads to arrest, although that does not mean you are directly convicted of a DUI. After being arrested, implied consent laws may force you to take a chemical test. Otherwise, you can face serious punishments like a license suspension for 12 months or 2 years for repeat refusals, regardless of your DUI conviction. Typically, a DUI arrest begins after a driver is pulled over for suspicion of driving under the influence, after which the officer will ask them for their license, proof of insurance, and vehicle registration. Even if you are nervous at this point, attempt to hold your composure, as the officer will likely closely observe how you obtain these items to check your sobriety. Chances are, the officer will ask you to step out of the car if they suspect that you are intoxicated. Try to keep your composure as you step out of the vehicle, as the officer will observe whether or not you have trouble doing so. Once you are out of your vehicle, you may be asked to complete one or more initial sobriety tests. The Fifth Amendment to the United States Constitution, which shields people from self-incrimination, allows you to decline these tests. However, your refusal may be used against you in court, and you may still be arrested. If you are asked to complete an FST, it is highly recommended that you refuse, as even sober drivers may have trouble completing this test. Additionally, a prosecutor can use your FST performance in their case against you. Being arrested. If arrested, the officer may handcuff your hands behind your back before asking you to sit in the backseat of their vehicle. Sometimes, this is done to ensure that you do not try and force yourself to vomit before taking the official breathalyzer or blood test that will be more strictly imposed once you reach the precinct or mobile DUI van. Having high-quality legal representation during a DUI case can offer significant benefits, including expert guidance that can help you craft a well-structured defense. An attorney can also help you navigate the complex legal process of DUI cases, helping you file motions and prepare for hearings. It is important to pick a talented attorney who has experience building a strong defense for people accused of driving while intoxicated. A dependable lawyer should be able to challenge evidence, identify weaknesses in the prosecution's case, and negotiate with prosecutors to potentially reduce charges or penalties. If you have been through a DUI arrest in the Greater Phoenix area, the criminal defense lawyers at Jackson White Law can fight to help you achieve the best outcome possible. Our talented attorneys have substantial experience working through the Arizona DUI process and providing top-of-the-line legal guidance. Call the Jackson White Criminal Law Team at 480-467-4370 for a free case review to learn how we can help you.